Auto Cooling Solutions. Get your cool back.
This is a factory OE rear AC line set for 2007 through 2013 GMC Yukon. Take note of the rigid hard lines. After you install them, you'll have to then use a splice kit to mend the split together. So now you've got a break in the middle of the line. Doesn't make much sense. Installing this type of line calls for removing a number of parts on your vehicle. They go through and around various things during the install. Just the shipping for this line set is around $100, or we can send you this box for about $20 shipping. Everything you need to replace the rear lines is included in this kit. Both the high and low pressure lines with the exact fittings to connect into the system, heavy duty zip ties to tie our lines to the existing lines, new O-rings and new hardware. Here is a comparison of OE and our connection fittings. This is Auto Cooling Solutions rear AC line set next to the OE hard rigid line set. As you can see, it'll run the length and run wherever it needs to go. What makes Auto Cooling Solutions line sets so much easier to use is our high pressure rubber hose design. Being flexible, our lines can fish through and around things, so you don't have to dismantle a variety of components to use our line sets. Auto Cooling Solutions rear line sets make this job much faster and easier to complete, not to mention much more affordable. All Auto Cooling Solutions lines come with a lifetime warranty.